Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in seeing how I achieve this colorful look, then stay tuned. Alright, since my eyebrows are done, we're just gonna hop into this eyeshadow look, and don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I'm just gonna wing it as I record it, but I will start in my Morphe 35W palette. I am going to go into, there we go. I'm gonna pack it on the outer corner here and sweep it onto the inner corner. Doing circular motions to diffuse the color. Morocco is here to warm up the crease. So I'm just gonna pack that orange color into the crease just to deepen it and just continue to keep packing. Then I'm with the first brush that I started with in the first transition shade, just to bring up the orange and the line here. Then I'm gonna take another smaller brush, and then I'm gonna go into a deeper brown. So I'm just gonna continue to build up that dark brown color and blend it out with the first shade that I went in with. All right, then I'm gonna go back in with some orange. So warm it up a little bit. Catsuit crease. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base, the jumbo pencil in milk. I depotted it, so it's in a little pot. And I'm just gonna cut this a little bit. I wanna keep my cut crease really simple. I don't want it to be super dramatic. So I'm just gonna go like right on my lid. I'm gonna cheat and hold my lid a little bit. So right here, I'm just feathering out like the ends of the cut crease so that there isn't a really harsh line. So now I'm just patting that eyeshadow down so that it'll dry so I can put eyeshadow on top. It's called Bori. I'm gonna take Cairo. I'm gonna flip my brush and just put that here. So then I am going to, let's go in with this shade here. It's Nairobi on a flat brush. It's a Nairobi. and bring it up a little bit. So I'm just going to go back in with the pink shade to layer it right on top of that Nairobi color. Gel liner. It's a black gel liner from Opal. It's called Essence Gel Liner. And take it from here, like almost the end, but not the end, and draw a line inward. Kind of look down as I. So that is the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation in the color Warm Coconut. But before I put that on, I went in with my Cover FX mattifying primer. I'm just patting my foundation in using a Real Techniques buffing brush. And then next I'm going to go in with some more black Opal foundation in the color All Chocolate. And now I'm going to highlight with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Deep. So just highlighting under my eyes. Then I'm going to do the bridge of my nose. A little bit on my chin. I don't typically highlight my forehead. I got a big forehead. Big forehead game. Guys, so I don't need to accentuate that at all. And then I'm going to blend it out with a Real Technique sponge. It's dry. Nothing on it, just blending it out. And then I'm contouring with the black Opal foundation stick in the color Ebony Brown. Just my nose and my forehead and my cheeks. And that's the same brush I use for my foundation, the Real Technique buffing brush. Then I just use the pencil brush just to blend out my contour on my nose so that it's not super harsh. And I take it up into my eyebrows. It's going to make it look a lot softer. Same buffing brush. I'm just pinching it together. Skinny nose now. Look at me. Alright, so now I'm going to set my contour with the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony. And then set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I don't remember what color it is, but I'll list it down below. And then that's my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Deep. So I'm just going to go right over where I highlighted so that it doesn't look too light. And then also set the rest of my face with that powder as well. Ignore the faces. It's me talking crap. And then I'm going to go in with this Italia eyeliner pencil. I'll list that below as well. Because first I started with that dark blue and didn't like it. And went in with a lighter blue. And I also put the link so you guys know where you can purchase it. So yeah, I'm just going to add the blue to my lower lash line. It's looking like pretty faint right now. But I'm going to go in with... it's like teal color eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics 120 palette. I believe it's the second edition. So I'll do that now to make the color pop a little bit more and to smoke it out so that line isn't super harsh. So yeah, just palette on. I like palette on, but like just keep like layering it so you get a better looking color. And then I wet my brush, and then I went back into that yellow goldish shade that I used from the Nubian 2 palette up top, and just brought that down on my lower lash line as well for a little more brightness. And then a little more blue just to merge those colors together. And then I'm going to go back and touch my eyebrows. I never cleaned up the top of them, which is fine by me because once I put on foundation. But I'm going to go in with a dark brown eyeliner. Eyebrow gel, actually. Just to clean it up, make it look a little more sharp, make my eyebrows look extra popping. Okay, guys, so I lost my end footage, but only thing you missed was me highlighting and putting on lipstick, which was really basic, but I'll list the products below so you know what I use. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.